Hello CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So CraftDee. Now, as many of you know, I took a trip to North Carolina to visit IKEA this month, and I have to tell you, I had a blast. Now, I went there to pick up large furniture pieces to complete my craft room renovation, but I saw tons of items that I loved. So I thought I would share some of my finds that were $5 or less that can be used in decorating, crafting, or organization in our creative spaces. Now, we'll also include some great finds from the Dollar Tree that I found along the trip too. Now, to all of my subscribers and visitors today, I want to say hey, and that I'm so excited to bring you guys along with me. And don't forget, you gotta hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the video showing how I'll use these in my crafts. So now this will be a really quick and fun haul, so let's just jump right into the finds. Now we're going to start off with the trip to IKEA. Now, I did see these little lanterns when I first walked in, and they had them in red. Now, I love that they have real glass in these, and this is in a really bright red that's just really beautiful, and it was only $4.99, so that is a really great deal. Now, they had this in white too, with the same material, just in white, and these were a little less expensive, and I thought that these would be a great deal, especially if you want to customize the color, and they were $3.99. Now, these rugs are always a great deal at only $4.99. You can customize these with words and sayings, especially if you have a cutting machine or use a freezer paper method. And these cork rounds, perfect for customizing and decorating, and great deal at $3.99 for 3 of them. Now, I'm sure you've seen these before. These are the plastic bag holders, but I've seen them often used to hold vinyl for cutting machines. So that's a great dual purpose item to have, and that's really inexpensive. And the organization trays are really big at IKEA. So this one has a really good space available inside to hold your tools at $1.49. I think that that's a really good deal. Now, inside the drawers of cabinets, these 6-piece drawer organizers are a really good deal at $4.99. So I grabbed a few of those, and I plan to use those for my crafting supplies as well. Now, in the glass section, they had these 3-piece bottle sets. I thought these were so awesome, great for crafting, and they were only $2.99 for the 3-pack, so I thought that was an awesome deal. And they also have a large variety of little vases. I know this one is about $2.99, so this was a really sweet deal on this one. And check these out. These are soap dispensers, and the bottles of them are actually glass. So these were only 99 cents, you guys. So I think that's great for customizing and using in your space. Now, right around the corner, they had a bunch of greenery. Now, I was so impressed with the quality of this greenery, and the bunches were nice and full. Now, these little bunches of greenery are only $5, and they had several different types that were in that section. Now, these were also beautiful. They had the little tips of the leaves that looked like they were a little white, almost like little flowers. They were $5 as well, and of course, they had little ferns too, which were adorable. Now, some other things that I found are these little Christmas trees. Now, these were nice and tall, and these were only $4, and they were available in the front of IKEA. And I also got these little pots. Now, these little pots are plastic, but they are really thick, and you can see they hold those little $5 plants perfectly. So I got 4 of those to go along with my set. Now, another potted plant that I got was one with long dangling limbs on it. I really wanted something long and dangling, perfect on a shelf piece. This was only $5 as well, but I think this was a super great deal for this. And check out these little Christmas trees. Now, these were only $2 a piece, but aren't they adorable? I have a craft in mind for these, so keep on the lookout for those. And I also picked up some of these magazine holders. They are a really thick cardboard that has a little pressed design on them. I think that they're a real good deal for a 2-pack. So I'm definitely going to be using these in my craft space. Now on to the Dollar Tree. I found some really great things on the way back. Now this is a wonderful life sign. I could not find this at my local Dollar Trees, but I did find this on the way, and it is really great quality. And I had such a hard time finding the snowballs, but check it out. I found 2 different sizes at a Dollar Tree on the road, and I have a large and a medium, and I know they have a small one as well, but I got these 2 sizes for my projects for winter. And look at these garland. Now these are red and black and white polka dot kind of buffalo check looking garland are so cute, and I think they can be used in so many ways in your crafts. And another item are the wood planks. Now I just used my last pack of these, so when I saw these on the shelf I had to grab them up. They have the long planks here, and then they have the square planks, and each pack has 6 pieces. So for $1, this is definitely a steal from the Dollar Tree. And the wood just keeps on giving. They have these little wood pieces there. So they have some little wood stars. Now each pack has 14 pieces. So these are a pack of little bells. They also had these cute little gingerbread men in a pack. And then I also picked up these little snowflake pieces in a pack. And these little houses were a really cute find. Now these are solid metal, and on the back they have a little holder if you want to put a votive candle in there. Now if you love the traditional colors, you can keep them as is, but I think that these would be gorgeous painted white, and I believe that's what I'm probably going to do with mine. But pick those up if you see them. Such a great deal for metal houses. And I finally found the little sleds. Now I found 2 different styles, and what I love about these are they are a generous size, and they're also solid wood, so you can actually stain or paint these. I think they would look great both ways, and then once you decorate them and customize them, they would be perfect in your holiday decor. And check this out. I thought I would never see these again, but I did find 2 at a Dollar Tree on the road, and such a great find. And look here, you guys, I found the Farmhouse calendars. So the Dollar Tree that I came across had a full case of these calendars out, and I thought it was such an awesome find. So I picked up 5 of them, and guess what? It's now giveaway time. So I know it's been difficult for some of you to find the calendar, so I'm going to be giving away all 5 of the Farmhouse calendars to one lucky person. Now to enter this giveaway, just leave a comment below answering the following question. How do you plan to use or create with the calendars in this collection? Now this contest opens at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on November 26th, 2021, and it closes at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on November 29th, 2021. Now you want to make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss the notification of the winner announcement. Now it's also important to know that this contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and we are solely responsible for conducting the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. Now please be sure you want to read that full list of official rules in the description box below to make sure you meet all of the requirements for a valid entry. I wish everyone good luck in the contest. Listen, if you love to shop for deals too, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know what your favorite item was on this trip. You want to make sure that you're following She's So CraftDee on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest for the latest news, sneak peeks, and giveaways. Now to make sure you don't miss my next DIY video, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.